Hello and welcome to iStalk, where we don't just report the news, we will rock you. Today, Anonymous Noise to premiere in April, RightStuf to release Gundam Wing, and Discotek Media announces they've grabbed GoShogun and the time Etranger. The upcoming anime adaptation of Ryoko Fukuyama's shoujo manga Anonymous Noise just announced some more information about the upcoming spring release. It's been confirmed that the anime will premiere on Tokyo MX starting on Tuesday, April 11th at 11 p.m. The anime adaptation of the shoujo manga will be directed by Hideya Takahashi at Brain's Base. Sadasur Records will be in charge of the music, and more information about the opening and ending will be released at a future date. The manga itself has been licensed in North America by Viz Media and has an upcoming live-action film adaptation that'll be released in Japan on November 25th. RightStuf just announced that they have picked up Mobile Suit Gundam Wing and will be releasing it on Blu-ray and DVD later this year. Particularly of interest to fans is that the release will include cast and creator interviews that involve questions submitted by fans. The cast interviews include questions for voice actor of Hiro Yui, Hikaru Midorikawa, director Masashi Ikeda, writer Katsuyuki Sumisawa, character designer Shuko Murase, and producer Hideyuki Tomioka. Bandai Entertainment had released the series in North America on DVD and VHS, but the series is available with both English and Japanese audio on Hulu for streaming. There's more news for fans of giant robots as Discotek announced last weekend on their official Facebook page that they've grabbed both the GoShogun TV series and the 1985 anime film GoShogun the Time Etranger. The 1981 GoShogun TV anime series was directed by Kunihiko Yuyama and was produced by Production Reed and will be released sometime in 2017. Meanwhile, GoShogun the Time Etranger had the same cast except it takes place 40 years after the events of the TV series. This is the first time an uncut version of the original series has been released in North America, and Discotek urges that no Macron 1 does not count. This is Elk reporting the news on Monday, March the 6th, 2017. For more 91.8 The Fan awesome, visit our website 918thefan.com. Check out our forums, or head over to our chat room where you can talk with DJs, writers, and other fans. Or follow our Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr to stay up to date with what's going on in the 91.8 The Fan world. Most importantly, tune into our 24/7 live radio station that plays everything you want and nothing you don't. Hope to see you there, and thanks for listening.